Okay, let's talk about an awkwardness of sentence structure that I see from student to student to student. So Alexis and Ethan have offered these sentences today, but I know that others in this class have committed the same sort of error. This is a pattern of awkwardness in sentence structure. And what I would do, of course, is flag it this way. Remember that I bracket at the beginning and the end of the chunk that I want you to focus on, and then I write the code at the end. This is an awkward sentence structure. So we're starting with Ethan's. Yesterday we were working on sentence structure itself and identifying subject, predicate, noun, verb pairs. Can anybody take a look in there and tell me any noun, verb pairs? I see probably at least 3. Gabe? I play. Yep. I play. Keep going, Gabe.
I love.
Excellent. I love that you took out the just, which is an adverb. Let's see. I play. I love. Anybody see another verb in there? Uh-huh. It looks like a verb, doesn't it? But it's not a verb, right? Because it's the thing that you're loving. We talked about this yesterday. It's called a gerund. We'll get into those later. Remember, I told you you don't see this verb because it looks small, it looks insignificant. Tyler? It is. Can somebody tell me what the noun is for that verb is? This is where the awkwardness lies, so this might be a little bit challenging. I'll give you a hint. It's not hockey. Hands go down. Brandon?
Reasons?
Yes, thank you. I have 3 clauses. Oh, sorry. Actually, Brandon, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. It's actually not reasons, it's which is part of this string, but some is. I have some is, I have I play, and I have I love. 3 clauses. Which of those 3 clauses, and just look at the noun-verb pairs, which of those seems to be the important clause or clauses? Which ones seem to carry what he wants to talk about? Brandon? Yeah? Which other one seems pretty important? Yeah. Correct, I love. That doesn't seem. That seems unimportant. If I want to capture Ethan's sentence, it's about him playing and about him loving. It's not about some is. That some is structure is weird. But it carries importance because it's actually a clause. Some of the reasons I play hockey is because. Just listen to that for a moment. Some of the reasons I play hockey is because. Can somebody revise that sentence just by cutting? All you need to do is cut words and you can fix it. Gabe? No, actually you'll need the because. Remember, we want to keep I play and I love. We're going to cut out some up. Keep going. We could cut it, but that's not going to fix the problem. Once again, it's not going to fix the problem. Bridget, read the sentence now.
I play hockey because I just love skating on ice.
Some of the reasons I play hockey is because I just love skating on ice. Or, I play hockey because I just love skating on ice. Which of those is the better sentence? The first or the second? The original or the revision? Tyler? Why? That's true, it's not awkward. It's also less wordy, it's also less complicated a sentence. If you guys had this on a sentence structure sheet, it would drive you nuts. Why? Because the sentence is overly complicated. Get to the point. Ethan's saying, I play hockey because I love skating on ice. That's a great sentence and very clear, but it's hidden in all this strange language. At high school, we called this the reason is because structure. Can you look at your awkwards, those of you that have flagged awkwards? Does anybody else see something that looks similar? A reason is because. Kim, do you see one? You were tapping your paper. I think. Do you have an awkward sentence? Okay. Oh, it's very similar. That one's very similar to Alexis's. A way to improve McCord is. That's the same kind of thing that we're going to see with Alexis's in just a moment. Do you have one? Oh, another part of the dress code I dislike are about the shorts. Yes, that's once again like Alexis's. Very good, Katie. So Kim's, Katie's, Alexis's are all very similar. Nobody else says a reason is because? Okay, then let's look at the second example. Okay, here's Alexis's example. Kim, Katie, it's very similar to yours, so you might think about doing the same work with your own examples. Noun verb pairs. Bridget, can you give me a noun verb pair in this sentence? I wish. Robin, can you give me another noun verb pair in this sentence? Okay, and what is the verb for that, or for could change? Not I, we've already used I. She's wishing. In her sentence, she's wishing. Robin, this one's pretty tough, so I'll help you out with it, unless Alyssa's got it. What do you think? Nope. Good guess. That would have been my guess, too. It's actually the word that. I wish that could change. Alyssa, thing is a noun, but what's the verb connected to thing? I'll give you a hint. It's split way far away from it. Somebody help Alyssa? What's the verb, Brandon?
McCord.
Nope. McCord's not a verb. Come on, guys. It's patterns, right? So I tell you, you're not seeing this verb because it doesn't look like a verb because it's so small, but it's a pattern. Bridget?
Shall.
Nope.
Is.
Is. She has three clauses. This one carries meaning that's important, the idea of wishing. This one carries meaning that's important, the idea of changing. This is nonsense filler. And it needs to go. We need to cut it away so we can reveal the power of Alexis's sentence. Can somebody start the sentence with I wish and improve it? Gabe. I wish that McCord would change or could change its dress code or the shoulder dress code. I wish that McCord would change or that McCord could change. Now we have I wish and McCord could change. Now that's a powerful sentence. But what Alexis has done is taken that power in that sentence and thrown it inside this wordy structure that's not quite as clear. The thing that I wish that could change at McCord is being to show our shoulders. Katie, could you read your sentence for me again? And you can correct the agreement error if you want.
Another part of the dress code I dislike are about the shorts.
Another part of the dress code that I dislike is about the shorts. Another part of the dress code that I dislike is about the shorts. Can somebody hear what her important noun-verb pair is in that sentence? Here we had I wish. Here we had I play. Katie's, another part of the dress code that I dislike is about the shorts. I dislike the dress code, or I also, to get that another idea in there, I also dislike the dress code rule about shorts. So Kim and everybody else, look for what the powerful noun-verb pair is. You're hiding it in that sentence and all this wordiness. And that's why we're doing all the sentence structure work we're doing, because I want you to look at a sentence and see noun-verb pairs and see the important ones. I am increasingly flagging awkward sentences. I seem to see them growing in your writing since the beginning of the year. I'm seeing sentences like Alexis's and Ethan's and Katie's and Kim's often. I will continue to flag them as awkward. And this is what we're looking at. Questions? Good, then continue on your individual work and continue to ask questions about it.